everyone, I'm Avinesh, and lately I've been getting a lot of questions from my families and friends who are trying to bake for the first time for their loved ones' birthdays during this lockdown or just because they're bored. And a lot of their questions are about substitutions because many people are running low on stocks at the moment. And I thought that I'll make a series of mini videos tackling some ingredients. And today I'll be talking about buttermilk because I did use buttermilk in my cinnamon bun pancake recipe, and it's super simple to make at home. Take a 1 cup measuring cup and add 1 tablespoon of either lemon juice or white vinegar, whatever you have in hand. I usually use white vinegar for this recipe. And then fill it up with full fat milk. Don't use toned milk for this recipe till it reaches 1 cup mark. Set this mixture aside for 10 to 15 minutes. And after 15 minutes, you will see the milk has curdled and it has turned into your buttermilk. Use it in your recipes as you would use buttermilk. Yes, it's really that simple. A lot of the recipes I use in my bakery call for buttermilk, and this is what I always do. I never buy buttermilk in my bakery either. If you try this recipe in your creations, do tag me in them and let me know how it turned out for you. Like this video and follow me on YouTube. Until then, bye bye.